Once you have all of this, then you go to off-page optimization, all the backlinks. What do you do first? Always build trust first. What do I mean by building trust? You want to have things like citations, social profiles, Web 2.0, press release, these kind of backlinks coming into you, where the anchor text is a brand anchor text or a URL anchor text. What do I mean by that? As an example, if my website is 𝐼𝐀𝐂𝐄𝐁𝐎𝐿, okay, when I link to from these citations from my Facebook page I create, a citation could be like a Yelp.com listing that I create, or a Facebook page I create, or any of this, I link to my website using the URL 𝐼𝐀𝐂𝐄𝐁𝐎𝐿, or my brand name, which is 𝐼𝐀 space solutions. Hope that makes sense. You always want to link. You do not want to use a variation of an anchor text like your money keyword. So if my main keyword I want to rank for is Detroit SEO company, you do not want to have 100 citations all linking to your website with the keyword Detroit SEO company. No, you want as many backlinks as possible that are linking to your website with the URL, which is your url.com, or the brand name, the name of your company that you also put in the GMB. Okay, that's how you want to build your brand out first, and that's how you build trust. Also, you want to make sure you have the URL of every citation you create, the title tag of every citation you create, as much as possible have the keyword in it. So as an example, if I want to go here, if I'm creating a Facebook page, facebook.com/ and my website is 𝐼𝐀𝐂𝐄𝐿, I do not want to create facebook.com/ 𝐼𝐀, or my brand name. I want to have the keyword I want to rank for. In this case, it will be Detroit SEO company or Detroit SEO. Why? Because the relevance, Google gets its relevance from the URL and the title, and if it does not have Detroit SEO in the URL or in the title tag of the Facebook page I'm creating or the Yelp page I'm creating, Google does not know that it needs to rank this website 𝐼𝐀solutions.com for this keyword Detroit SEO or Detroit SEO company, whatever your keyword is. So hope that makes some sense. I'll be going deep into this in the off-page optimization module, but just wanted to just do this. So if you have a client site that you acquired a client, you need to do gap analysis. Okay, I show you different tools where you can go and check how many citations does he already have. Is the name, address, phone number accurate in every citation? If he already has 25 citations, you don't want to create the same 25 citations. That will become duplicate citations. We don't want that. We want to create another, if we need to, a different set of 25, 50, or 100 citations or social profiles. So hope that made some sense. So whether it's a rank and rent site or a client site, you need to do your research. If it's a rank and rent site, you can start from scratch and plan it out beautifully. If it's a client site, you need to do the gap analysis and figure out where he is and fill the gap. Once you build trust, then you build power with PBNs. When you do this, you're actually building trust, but you're also putting the relevance in the title tags and the URL. So the relevance is also being built up. When you do PBNs, that's where the power comes in. Again, I'm not going into depth into what a PBN is. That is covered in depth in other videos, but this is just an overall. So when I get the PBNs, as an example, if the money keyword, if the main keyword I want to rank my website is Tree Service Dallas TX, the site I want to rank this keyword for is DallasTreeServicePros.com as an example, then here is my guideline on what kind of anchor text I use. Please play with it. This is a guideline. So I almost always start my first PBN anchor text as a URL anchor text. So the URL is the anchor text. Okay. My next one could be a generic keyword in that niche. So the next one anchor text would be Tree Service Company. PBN3 would be maybe the city, Dallas. PBN4, maybe a generic one. Click here. And then I rinse and repeat it. PBN5 would be I repeat the same thing again if you see. Instead of URL, I may say the money keyword, the main keyword. Then I repeat it. Okay. So again, I'm going in depth into this in the PBN modules. I don't want to go in depth here, but this is how I use PBN. So once more, here is the process. You want to do your research, competition analysis, keyword research, plan out your website. Based on how you plan out your website or your client's website, you then write content for those pages using the keywords that you identified. Then you design the website. Then you do the on-page optimization on the website. So making sure you put the title tags, the URLs, the H1 tags, the name, address, phone number, the footer, meta descriptions if you want to. Once you do that, then you get a GMB, you get the address on the GMB, and then you use that name, address, phone number that you have on the GMB in your citations and social profiles as you build it, and the Web 2.0s if you want to, press release if you want to. Then you go to PBNs. And as you play with the anchor text over here, your website starts going up. So I hope this made some sense, guys.